Planning Your Honeymoon, a guide to post-wedding bliss. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a very special topic. Planning your honeymoon. This phrase is all about preparing for a celebratory trip after a wedding. Whether you're learning English or planning your own post-wedding adventure, understanding this phrase is key to grasping the excitement and significance behind it. Let's explore what it means to plan your honeymoon and how you can do it effectively. The phrase, plan your honeymoon, involves two main concepts, planning and honeymoon. Planning refers to the process of making decisions and arrangements in advance. This can include choosing a destination, booking flights and accommodations, and deciding on activities. The honeymoon is a traditional holiday taken by newlyweds to celebrate their marriage in intimacy and seclusion. It's a time for couples to enjoy each other's company, usually in a romantic or exotic location, away from the usual demands of life. Combining these, plan your honeymoon, means organizing and preparing for this special trip. It involves considering various factors such as budget, interests, and timing to ensure a memorable and stress-free experience. 1. Budgeting. First and foremost, determine your budget. This will guide many of your decisions, such as your destination, duration, and accommodations. 2. Choosing a destination. Think about what you both enjoy. Do you prefer a beach, a city, or the countryside? Research destinations that align with your interests and budget. 3. Timing. Decide on the best time to go. Consider factors like weather, peak tourist seasons, and personal schedules. 4. Booking travel and accommodations. Once you've settled on a destination and time, book your flights and place to stay. Look for deals and consider travel insurance. 5. Planning activities. Research activities and attractions in your chosen destination. Plan a mix of activities that you both will enjoy. 6. Packing. Make a list of essentials based on your destination's climate and planned activities. Don't forget important documents like passports and tickets. Start early. Begin planning at least 6 months in advance to ensure availability and the best deals. Communicate. Make sure both partners are involved in the planning process and that the plans reflect both of your interests. Be flexible. Be open to changes and surprises. Sometimes, unexpected changes can lead to the most memorable experiences. Pack smart. Remember to pack not just for style but for comfort and practicality. Planning your honeymoon is an exciting part of the wedding process, symbolizing the start of a new chapter together. By following these steps and tips, you can ensure a memorable and stress-free honeymoon. We hope this guide helps you in your journey to plan the perfect post-wedding getaway. Happy planning, and may your honeymoon be as beautiful and fulfilling as your dreams.